Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to rotate the text inside of the cells. So you already have the example, which is the timetable, and you can see like some of them got a large size of the cells, and it will be like seen empty for the cells since the text is quite small, then the cells is quite big. So here we can use the rotate text tools or features to like filling the cells. So for example, this English, so you want to rotate this become like diagonally, so you just need to go click the cells, and after that go click this A symbol, and after that there will be like pop up here several options. You just need to like scrolling down until you found this text rotation, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to choose how the way you will rotate your text. You can also do the tilt up, you can do the tilt down, you can also do this text vertically, but then you can see it's not good because it's too like overloading these cells. So you can just choose either you want to tilt up or tilt down. So whenever you're done, you just need to go into another cells to do the same things. You can do the text rotation, and for this, since it's quite big the cell, you can do the rotate up, or you can also rotate down. You can also do stack vertically like this. So that's the way how to rotate your text inside of the cells. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.